Hello everyone. Have you heard about rectangle pattern? No? Today I am discuss about rectangle pattern. And just believe me, it will be very easy for you to understand the trend. The trend will be continue or it will change. So without getting delayed, just I am sharing you the mind map of rectangle pattern. Okay. This is the rectangle pattern. You can see in the picture, share price was in downtrend. Okay. And here, due to buying pressure, share price started moving upside. But from here, due to resistance, again moving down, again moving up. And you can see this is like a consolidation and rectangular consolidation. And here you can see this is the breakout place. And when breakout gives you with the high volume, this is confirming you that this is the continuation pattern and this downtrend will be continue. So no need to jump here. I hope it must be clear to all of you. Actually, rectangle pattern is a very simple but very powerful. Thank you so much to all of you watching my video.